What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. Welcome to What's in the Shop. Today we're going to start down here in Gibsonia at our North Pittsburgh location. We don't have any cars in the shop yet because we're not open, but give us about a month or so and that's going to change. I'm here with Brandon and Luke. Luke is the GM. You guys probably know him from Latrobe, and Brandon you also may know from Latrobe. He's going to be running the tint department down here. So if you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, we're doing updates on this building and the progress of the construction and all that fun stuff. Make sure you do that. Other than that, we're going to go ahead and go back to Latrobe and show you what's actually happening. All right, so we're back in the Latrobe shop. We're going to show you around here like we always do, and we're going to start in the window tint bay. So we've got Terrell and Brandon working on a Subaru Forester. This one got front windows. Getting a visor too? Yeah. Cool. They're booked all day, every day, but we have enough tinters that we're doing drop-off appointments for all day. We can get you in pretty much the next day nowadays, anytime. Over here in this bay, we've got a Tesla Model 3. This one got some paint protection film on the front end previously. Now it's back for a ceramic coating and window tint. The tint is done, so it's next in line for the coating. Got a Chevy Equinox. This one's here for a quick cleanup, our mini detail package. We're not really doing too many details anymore, but the ones that we already had scheduled, we are finishing them out. We're just too busy with everything else. So our detailers are becoming prep people for all the other things that we're doing. We still have them on staff, so we can still take care of details if you have a gift certificate or something that is already scheduled with us. Jimmy's working on a Grand Sport Corvette. What's this thing getting? Fusion coating, XPEL Fusion. You're in the process of polishing, I assume. Very cool. And another Tesla. This one's a Model Y. This is getting a full XPEL wrap. It's about halfway done, I think, at this point. And we're also tinting the front windows and the windshield. The fronts are done. The windshield has been molded to the glass. Sometimes you'll see us working on the outside of a window. A lot of people will say, I thought the tint went on the inside. It does, of course. What we need to do, especially with a curvy window like that, is mold the film to the shape of the glass so that it installs easily on the inside. Got a Shelby GT350. This one got racing stripes installed. We did the black double stripe with the red outline. This is something that you see, I believe, from factory on Shelby's. This one didn't have it, so they wanted it to look like that. We did that. Paint protection film on the whole front end, as well as the rocker panels. Got window tint, and I want to say this one's getting ceramic coated as well, so this one's probably next up for that. Speaking of Shelby, got a 427 Cobra. Unfortunately, this is not an original, but it is an older one, and it is a really, really, really good replica. It's got a fresh paint job on it. Beautiful car. We did paint protection film on the front end of it. So this thing is a challenge to do because of all these curves. The owner decided to just do basically like a clear bra from there down. They do actually use this car on a track and on rallies and things like that. So that's why it's here. So everything from here down got done, and right here on this front lip, said this gets beat up a lot. That's all protected all the way inside there. Got a beautiful sunny day here in Pennsylvania. Outside we have a truck, Super Duty. This one's getting some vinyl work on the hood. So we're doing like a custom accent where those body lines are. We've got a 911 Turbo S. I love these cars so much. This one got paint protection film and a ceramic coating, and it's here for a yearly maintenance. It's actually a new owner that bought the car. We're getting it cleaned up for him. We have it for a little while still, so we like to wait until shortly before the owner's gonna pick the car up in the event that we have the car for a while, so it's nice and clean. This Nissan got window tint installed this morning. Same with this Honda CR-V. Over here we have a Volkswagen Beetle, and this thing was pink a couple of days ago. It's for sale down at Laurel Valley Motors. It was vinyl wrapped. They wanted to remove the vinyl wrap. Everything underneath is in great shape, so it's now a white Beetle. We've got a Nissan Cube. This one is here for a vinyl wrap. We're gonna be changing this to satin black for our good friend Jeff. And a Nissan Maxima. This car got a remote start system installed. We've got another C7 Grand Sport. This one is getting paint protection film installed on the front end today, so it's prepped. We're pulling the Shelby off the lift right now, and this one's heading in next. And this Mustang got the rear wheel impact area protected, so I can't even see it. There it is. Basically, this area right here is now protected with XPEL Ultimate Plus. Those take a beating. Basically, every sports car, muscle car, that area gets a lot of abuse from the front tires throwing rocks up. I love those things. This Buick is here for a full detail package. We're just getting ready to pull it in now. This is our van. It's not here often because we've been so busy tinting houses, it's ridiculous. So if you have a house or a business that has a hot spot or an area that's really, really hard to keep cool, your air conditioner doesn't keep up with it, we do that too. We have window films that block lots of heat to keep you more comfortable. We also have window tint for privacy purposes, like a frost material or a one-way mirror. material. So lots of different options. We can help solve pretty much any glass problem with your home or business. Out front, we've got a Lamborghini Gallardo. It's not mine, it's a different one. This one's our good friend Zach's, and it is here for a ceramic coating. There was a Ferrari right here. Apparently it went home, but we had a GTC4 Lusso here. I love those things. It's like a station wagon, 4-seater, 2-door, 4-seater V12. They sound incredible. So it's a full stealth wrapped car, and it was here for an annual inspection. So that's what's going on this week at Blackout at the Latrobe shop. There's actually a lot more going down at the other Latrobe shop down the road, but we don't have time to go there right now. We're vinyl wrapping a Bentley Bentayga down there. There's some emergency vehicle work going on with a fire truck and a couple other things. So we are super, super busy. If you guys are looking for a job in this field, ceramic coating, window tint, paint protection film, give us a call, shoot me an email, josh@blackoutempire.com. We are constantly hiring. Thank you guys very much for watching. We will see you next week.